sunny farm day, it feels so fun. Come on kids, let's meet everyone. Cow goes moo in the morning light, friendly and gentle from day to night. Sheep says bow with fluffy cheer, soft and silly when you come near. Pig goes oink in the muddy ground, splashing puddles all around. Dog goes woof and runs so fast, chasing the wind as it zooms past. Cat goes meow in the sunshine glow, purring softly to and fro. Duck goes quack by the little blue pond, waddling happily round and beyond. Come say hi on the farm today, all our friends love to laugh and play.